Insurance is expensive. I should know because I've been looking into life insurance, but I'll tell you about that next time. Hi, I'm David from The Frugality Game. Even though coverage can cost a lot, you still need insurance. Neglecting it can be seriously harmful to your long-term finances. The good news is that you can save money by only buying the insurance you actually need. You see, not all insurance is created equal. You shouldn't buy something just because it's called insurance. In fact, many companies sell policies that really aren't in your best long-term interest. In this video, I'll show you how to spot and avoid those mistakes. There are really only 3 reasons for insurance. You'll avoid wasting money on the traps that fool most people when you understand the real reasons for insurance. You need insurance first, when it's legally required or otherwise required. Second, when you need to protect yourself or others from risk. Or third, to reduce your costs. And that's a maybe. Let's take a closer look at each of these reasons so that you can get a better idea of when they apply and when they don't. Reason number 1 for insurance. It's required, legally or otherwise. Sometimes you need insurance to be able to enjoy other opportunities, such as when your state requires you to buy auto insurance in order to drive, or when your mortgage lender requires you to buy loan insurance to finance your house. In these cases, it's probably best to follow the rules, but you don't need to buy anything beyond the minimum unless it makes sense for one of the next 2 reasons. Reason number 2 for insurance. You need to protect yourself or others from risk. This is the biggest, most important reason for insurance. When you're insured, you don't need to worry about certain risks. Having health insurance protects me from having the risk of medical bills that I just can't afford. Having life insurance protects my family from finding themselves without financial support if something happens to me. Understanding this primary reason for insurance makes it easier to judge your options. For example, leaving my family without support is just too big a risk, and I don't have a better way to mitigate that risk, so I have life insurance. But on the other hand, I can usually afford to repair or replace smaller electronics, and it really wouldn't kill me to go without them, so I usually avoid the protection plans offered by retailers. Here's the rule. If it's a risk I'm willing and able to handle on my own using my emergency fund, I usually forego the insurance in favor of putting extra money into my savings. Now, of course, occasionally something will come up, but thanks to this emergency fund, I'm effectively self-insured. That means I have protection without the overhead of paying someone else. This is also why it can be cost-effective to choose insurance options with higher premiums. However, be warned, this cost-saving advice only works if you're responsible about setting money aside for when you need it. Reason number 3 for insurance. To reduce your costs. Maybe. There is this one more reason why insurance might be a good investment. Sometimes you as an individual just can't get as good a deal as you could in a group. In this case, the group buying aspect of insurance could allow you to get what you need more efficiently. For example, if you have a lifelong medical condition such as diabetes that requires an ongoing prescription or other care, the cost of buying health insurance might be significantly less than the cost of buying your own medicine. Be careful, however. Some insurance offers don't actually do much good. I wear glasses, and I need a new prescription every couple of years. At first, I thought I might be able to save some money with vision insurance. Well, I was wrong. When I researched it, I found out that the insurance benefit would be capped. It was limited, and so I would have ended up spending more for the insurance than it saved me. What makes the most sense for you will always depend on your unique situation. Just do the math and think about whether or not you'll be getting your money's worth. So let's put it all together. Don't get me wrong, I'm in favor of insurance. It's important, and I've given up plenty of other things in order to afford good insurance. But if there's no legal requirement, you're willing and able to handle the risk yourself, and having insurance won't reduce your costs, then you probably don't need the insurance. Understanding these conditions can save you thousands of dollars on insurance premiums. If you don't yet have all of the insurance you need, visit The Frugality Game at www.thefrugalitygame.com, log in, and visit the Member Center to learn more and find great deals.